A rubber ball is dropped from certain height. It is found to rebound only 90% of previous height. If it is dropped from the top of 125-meter tall building, to what height would it rise after bouncing on ground 2 times in meters is 101.25 meters. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, in how many days B alone can finish it? 30 days. Thirty kgs of rice is needed for a family of 6 members. How many kgs of rice will be required if the members in the house increases to 16 kg? 80. Radhika deals with second-hand goods. She bought a second-hand refrigerator for 8,000 rupees. She spent 500 rupees on transportation and 500 rupees on its repair. She sells the refrigerator for 9,900 rupees. Find the profit or loss. We have to use the formulas of profit and loss. Then we'll get profit percentage. So what is the profit percentage is? Profit by cost price into 100. What is profit is selling price minus cost price. The length, breadth and height of a room are 18, 24, 30 respectively meters. Determine the length of instrument that can be measured all the dimensions of the room in exact number of times in meters. 6. If the number 91876 dash some star 2 is completely divisible by 8, then the smallest whole number in place of star will be 3. So you have to check divisibility rule of 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, then all number will be divisible by 8. So 6, 3, 2. A truck runs 15 kilometers using 2 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 1 by 4 liter of petrol? 76 7 by 8 kilometers. How many tiles with the dimensions 12 cm and 5 cm will be needed to fit the region whose length and breadth are 288 cm and 150 cm respectively? 720. In a triangle, the height is double. The base and height and the base and the area is 625 cm square. Then the length of base is 25 cm. A road roller makes 200 rotations to roll in, covering 4,400 meters. Then the radius of the roller is 3.5 meters. A wedge in the shape of cuboid is 50 cm long and 25 cm wide. What should be its height to hold 25 liters of water? 20 cm. If square root of 1369 plus square root of 0.0615 plus x equal to 37.25, then x 10 power minus 3. If square root of 3 power n is equals to 729, then the value of 2n is 24. The value of n will be 12. Find x. If x by 5 minus x by 6 is equals to 4, then 120. Factors of 4 into a plus b whole square minus 9 into a minus b whole square. 5a minus b into 5b minus a. Find the mean of the first 99 natural numbers. 50. Arithmetic mean of 8 observations is calculated as 42, but in doing so, an observation 27 is mistaken for 67. Find the actual mean of the data, 47. The median of a set of 9 distinct observations is 25. If each of the largest 4 observations of each of the set is increased by 2, find the median of resulting set, 25. In a triangle ABC, if angle A is equals to 3, angle B and angle C is equal to 5 angle B, then the greatest angle of triangle ABC is 100 degrees. We can use the angle sum property for this. Angle sum property of triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Substitute, you will get answer. In a triangle, the right angle is at C. CD is perpendicular to AB. Angle A is equals to 35, then angle BCD equal to 35 degrees. The student generalizes that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. After having observed this property in a number of triangles, this process is called inductive reasoning. Mathematics as a mode of thought is one of the educational value according to this classification. Young. This is the higher level objective than articulation in psychomotor domain, naturalization. The specification. The specification, the learner is able to translate I is equals to PTR by 100 into verbal statement, comes under this objective understanding. When full freedom was given to the children, then it leads to the development of self-control and self-discipline. This is principle of Montessori method. This teaching method proceeds from conclusion of hypothesis and unknown to known, analytic method. Fractions, decimals, percentiles and percentages can be shown easily by using grid paper. More number of points have been allotted to this criteria to evaluate the textbook as per Hunter's scorecard. Exercises given in the book. Creating learning experiences and evaluation of the changes of behavior are the last 2 steps of this approach, Bloom's evaluation based approach. Answer supply type question is association form.